Right then, here's a new video for you. Now, this is the Burnett Fire Engine, all put together. You put two together as one thing. So yeah, so this comes off the back here, you see. And yeah, dear, no, I can't get it back on. It's on there. Yes, so this was made in 1934 by Burnett of London, and so these are two I put together to get one thing out of it. If you want to see the original video of these, it's number 318 to see both of them together. And baby, that's how it looks. All of it is on there, you see. It's all on there now. I know that's a bit not well, yeah, it's okay, it's what it is, isn't it? This stupid steering moon. Anyway, so there it is. If I take this off and wind it up, it does wind up, you see. It does work, what you might say. It works like that. And then also I have this other one. I'll show you this one now, and then I'll show it to you next week. So what I'm going to do with that one, Rick, I'm going to send you that for Christmas. I also have this one. This is German. I have to do something about this, because it's not quite right, is it? But yeah, I'll show you that next week as well. So I'll send you these things for Christmas, and you can have that fire alarm car as well, because I want to get rid of a lot of stuff. So so there you go, and you can have that for Christmas. So there you go. That's what I think. Yeah, I'll take some pictures of this so that you can see how it looks. And yeah. Next week you'll see the other fire engine, and maybe you'll also see this tank I got. This tank in there. You can't see it, can you? No, cannot. This tank. It's not very much good, but that's German. So yeah, you can see that next week. Okay.